All right, more vaccines. That's the answer. The governor's speaking to us today from Annapolis with what's going on with the vaccine and the virus. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs was with the governor at the State House today and has more for us tonight. What'd he say there, Abby?
Governor Larry Hogan says with positivity rates and hospitalizations down, he's ready to pull back on some restrictions. But as for vaccines, demand will far exceed supply for the foreseeable future.
The basic problem is pretty simple. We need more damn vaccines.
Governor Larry Hogan understands the frustration of so many who are trying to get an appointment to get vaccinated but can't.
They can't schedule an appointment for a vaccine that does not yet exist.
There are still over 1 million Marylanders eligible for the vaccine, and appointments are few and far between.
The initial 10,000 appointments that we made available to members of the public at the Six Flags site were all completely reserved within 20 minutes.
He's calling on the federal government to work more closely with states about vaccine allocation. He plans on bringing it up during a meeting with President Joe Biden tomorrow. But he says demand will still exceed supply for the foreseeable future. A bit of good news. In light of improved health metrics, some restrictions are being pulled back. Hospitals and nursing homes will be able to resume limited visitation.
All of us are keenly aware, from hospital admission to discharge, family members and care partners are a critical component to a patient's recovery.
If facilities choose to relax policies, they have to have sufficient PPE and robust infection control practices. Hogan also announced additional support to reopen schools, including nearly 1 million tests and an unlimited supply of PPE. Liaisons from each county will also be working with the Equity Task Force to reach hard-to-reach populations and set up mobile vaccination clinics.
With targeted investments in education, outreach, vaccine locations, we can mitigate the impact of inequality of the vaccine.
Next week, a statewide call center will be opening up to help people schedule appointments. And there's now a text service that you can opt into to get updates about appointments at mass vaccination sites. In Annapolis, Abby Isaacs, WMAR 2 News.